Not all of the dark and strange corners of the universe are located in distant galaxies. The most mysterious of these places are right here on planet Earth. This place is devoid of sunlight, with immense pressure and near-freezing temperatures, but it's not the barren desert some might expect. Instead, it's home to a vast and diverse array of life, evolving in ways our human mind can barely comprehend. Some deep-sea creatures have enormous eyes, while others have none at all. Some even have eyes inside their transparent heads. Some glow for defense, while others sparkle for prey. At these depths where photosynthesis is impossible, the food chain becomes a bit unpredictable. Some creatures normally classified as feeders have evolved into fearsome predators, while others have become so effective that their mouths are larger than the rest of their bodies or have teeth that pierce the darkness in all directions. Anglerfish, hundreds of species, are known as anglerfish because of their hunting method. These fish use bait attached to their heads to attract prey. This bait consists of a part called the elysium, a modified rod-like shaft, and another part called the escae, a luminous bait thanks to the bacteria that live with it. These baits enable anglers to attract a variety of prey species to their large mouth. Research has shown that some of these fish eat enormous amounts of food in one go. For example, an 8-gram black manta ray was caught, but its stomach was filled with 14 grams of fish. This means its stomach contained more food than its body weight. Anglerfish have flexible jaws and inward-facing teeth, making it difficult for prey to escape once they have captured it. Their opportunistic feeding habit also helps them in an environment where food is scarce. While some creatures use light for prey, others use light for camouflage, a technique known as counter-illumination. The lights on their bellies help camouflage themselves against the dim light from above. The ethereal snailfish, one of the deepest known marine creatures. It has been found at a depth of 8,336 meters, 27,000 feet, below the sea surface, making it the deepest fish ever discovered. This fish is characterized by its transparent frog-like shape and lax scales, which contributes to its pale appearance in the depths of the ocean. The ethereal snailfish lives in harsh environments known as hides deep, where sunlight does not reach it, requiring it to rely on unique adaptations for survival. Little is known about this fish, but it is believed to feed on small organisms that live in its environment. While its appearance may not be attractive, its ability to survive in environments that many marine creatures cannot tolerate highlights the diversity and resilience of marine life. The sunfish, also known as the mola mola, it is one of the largest bony fish in the world. This fish is characterized by its unique shape, with a flat, round disc-like body that appears to float on the surface of the water. It can weigh over 1,000 kilograms, 1,000 pounds, and reach a length of 3.3 meters, 1.8 feet. Sunfish live in warm, shallow waters around the world and are known for living deep underwater, then coming to the surface to bask in the sun, which explains their name. They eat jellyfish, crustaceans, and some small fish. Barrelay, one of the strangest fish in the ocean. This fish has large, upward-facing eyes, allowing it to see prey swimming above it. Its eyes are protected by a transparent membrane, allowing it to see prey even when it glows. At first, scientists didn't know how this fish could hunt when its mouth is facing away from its eyes. However, they discovered that its eyes can rotate forward, allowing it to better see prey. These strange adaptations make it easier for the barrelay to catch food swimming above. Jelly, when you first look at this creature, you might think it's just a disco ball, but it's actually known as a jelly. Although it looks a lot like a jellyfish, it's very different. For example, it doesn't have claws and swallows its prey directly through its mouth like snake. It has a voracious appetite, capable of consuming up to 10 times its own weight in a single day. What's interesting about this creature is its translucent body, which glows in the dark in rainbow colors, but it doesn't use bioluminescence like other deep-sea creatures. It typically lives at depths between 700 and 1,000 meters, but some species can be found at even greater depths. If you suffer from arachnophobia, you may know that spiders are often afraid of water and don't prefer damp places. However, there is a species of spider that lives in the depths of the oceans known as the sea spider. Sea spiders are quite different from their land-dwelling relatives, as their legs can reach 50 centimeters in length. These legs are not only used for moving across the seafloor, they also contain holes that help them obtain oxygen. Over time, these holes become so large that scientists compare them to the holes in Swiss cheese. Sea spiders are a living example of what is called deep-sea giant. Scientists believe this large size is due to the extremely low temperature in the deep ocean, as sea spiders' metabolism is very slow. This means they require small amounts of oxygen and food, an important advantage in an environment suffering from severe resource scarcity. Ultimately, the depths of the ocean remain a symbol of hidden beauty and profound tranquility, despite the presence of terrifying creatures there. That's all we have to learn today. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to subscribe and like to receive all the latest news.